Okay, so this is the AFC's first official test on the 1/3 scale 3T22 siren. And don't mind the impact driver, it's just it doesn't have its like roof mount anymore because apparently it decided to fucking destroy itself when it fell over. So besides that, here is Mini 3T. Alrighty, so that was a short alert. What I'm going to do now is the weird attack signal. So the attack signal on this unit is only for about 30 seconds, and it's literally just 2 cycles. It's 5 on, 10 off for some weird reason, but here's the weird goofy ass attack signal. So alright, so that was the weird fucky attack signal. I don't think I have Fastwell programmed into this. So function 1 and function 2 is just alert. Function 3 is attack. Function 4, actually don't know, we're gonna find out. Nothing. Function 4 doesn't do anything. So we're going to do Fastwell manually.